Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to borrow credit, if you can borrow credit from Flow. Now, someone will be asking, is it possible to borrow credit from Flow? The answer is yes. How? By using their service called Flow Credit, sometimes called Credit Me in some regions, which allows you to borrow credit when you are low. Here's how to use it. First, you have to check your eligibility by dialing #129# or *129# on your Flow mobile phone to check if you're eligible for the credit borrowing service. This will also show the available amount you can borrow. Number 2. If you're eligible, follow the prompts to borrow the available amount. You can usually borrow credit in small amounts like $5, $10, $20, and so on. Now, when it comes to repayment, the borrowed credit, along with any associated fees, will be deducted from your balance the next time you recharge or top up your account. The service and eligibility may vary depending on your location, plan, and account usage, so if you're unsure, it's a good idea to check with Flow customer support or visit their website for more specific information. Keep in mind, the borrowing credit is usually a short-term solution, and you need to repay it promptly when you top up your account.